How to make a double-sided Stockframe sign using Stockframe PVC extrusion. To begin, mitre the end of your plastic framing. Measure your plastic framing to the correct size. Using a packing block underneath the framing to support it, cut the mitre on each end. Repeat this for 8 pieces of framing, which allows 4 for each side. Cut your board to the correct size to fit the framing mitered. Once you have all of your pieces, you can begin assembly. Remove the protective sheet from your board. For a double-sided frame, you will need to cut off 5mm of the 10mm return where there is an integral break-off point. This is to support a 10mm thick board, so you will have 5mm of coverage on each side. After cleaning your board with an appropriate cleaner, remove the backing strips and apply the taped stock frame to the board. For the last corner joint, it's best to not firmly apply the edges until you have checked all 4 corners are aligning. Once this has been checked, you can press the stock frame down firmly to secure the tape. Repeat this on the other side. Again, you will need to clean the back of the board and apply all 4 pieces. Where we cut the stock frame earlier to the 5mm break-off point, this is where you will see a nice clean joint in the middle of the board. Press again to ensure everything is secure, and clean off your panel ready to apply your print and fit your sign. To fit corner brackets, hold them up against your sign where you intend to place them, in the middle, and mark the screw holes. Drill through your marked points, ready to insert the screws. You do not need to drill the entire way through the board, just enough to go through the edge of the stock frame. Then insert your screws to secure the bracket. It is best to do this by hand to ensure you don't over tighten the screws and damage the board. Repeat on both sides. If using top corner brackets, you can repeat the process for the hanging sign.